Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your UCAS Hub account. Click the Your Choices tab and then the Add Clearing Choice button. You can now refer yourself to University of South Wales. Step 2. Do you still hold a firm unconditional offer from another university? No worries, all you need to do is self-release by using the Decline My Place button on your application. Step 3. Once you're referred to University of South Wales on your UCAS Hub, we will process your application as quickly as possible. UCAS will then send you an email alerting you to this change on your Hub account. Step 4. Nearly there. If we're able to offer you a place, you'll now be able to start the accommodation process for one of our 3 locations. Step 5. Sit tight. We will be in touch before the start of term with details about getting started, where you will be able to enrol, look into student finance and timetable information. This is Clearing, the USW way. Instant offers. Only at USW.